gem. Oh, he's got it. Oh, it's a rip snorter. Takes the glove of Ali. Again, it's that short length. That's a good delivery. Cummins in the end, little area there. Good cage area. Fiery, successful. Got over it. Oh, well directed short ball again. Sharp too. 140 Ks. Good fast short pitch bowling. Just takes the thumb.